Welcome to Ozzy Overhaul. Come on in. This is our very first investment property that we will be flipping, and we're going to take you along for the ride.
They cut this joist. Yo, welcome to the shower. We're ripping it out piece by piece. Gotta be careful with the plumbing here, with the packs, because I don't have fittings to close it, so keep it intact. Pretty exciting stuff here. Pretty exciting.
Well, Andy's been working on the shower. I have been working on the drop ceiling. Got all the insulation out. Now we just have to move the air intake, air return. What's it called? The return. If you watched our destination renovation series, you would know that we dropped the air return in our primary house, I think 3 different times before we finally were able to secure it up there. So I've learned my lesson and I'm not gonna touch it. What's in my way? Enough.
Big door.
It's like still attached by the caulk. That's why it wasn't coming off.
It's glue.
Ripped it right off of the lath. We often talk about how because the wood is termite eaten, it makes it easier for us to tear stuff down. But this was glued to the plaster, which really stuck it on there. And when you try to pry it out of a termite eaten board, it does nothing except for chew into the board. This was a pain in the ass.
Toilet point of view. Bathroom demo. Anyone need a sink?
That's crazy. Anyone got chapped lips that they need some help with? What are you doing?
Draining the toilet.
This job sucks. Bye bye, toilet. Oh my God, your muscles are so big.
First try.
Shut up, liar.
You're ready to see the different flooring this bathroom has. Peeling back the layers of history in this house here. Here we go, ready? Boom! Look at that. It's had 3 different floors in here, but it was this, and then that. And now we're ripping it all out and putting something new in.
It's been a long day, everybody.
did we get here?
11.
Got here about 11. It's like 2:30,
Yeah.
so that's a good...
3.5 hours of work, and this is what it'll get you.
Gutted the bathroom, like gutted it. Real. Look at the floorboards here.
It's a freaking mess. If you step on that, it'll sink.
There's a joist here that they cut. So we need to reinforce some of this structure, and then you can see that this doesn't span all the way to the next joist, so.
And that's where the shower was.
We'll be ripping out a good amount of this plywood and replacing it with new.
Can you leave that drain there for the shower?
All the pipe has to come up. Tomorrow we're getting under the house and we're gonna look at all the cast iron plumbing that needs to get ripped out. None of it can stay. It's all gotta go.
But I mean, like,
check it out
the whole...
tomorrow. Bye. So they cut this joist when they installed this cast iron, I don't know how many years ago. This is a structural floor joist that they just cut. And now it's not supporting anything, and the rest of this bathroom is framed with 2x4 framing. All the rest of the joists are 2x8s. As soon as this guy goes, what we need to do is continue a joist that replaces that, you know? Okay, so you can see where it connects to the new PVC. This cast iron, corroded pipe going under. I think my strategy is just to smash it and tear it out.
If you could think like you always did, I would have never walked away from this. Summer rain, I saw you singing with that song again. For the night when we looked the same, you could have asked me to do anything.
One eternity later.
Holding you, holding me in the blue light. I guess it's not what you had in mind. Look around now, I see it so clearly. I forgot how to rein
pain.
I know exactly what to say to this. If you would talk like you always did, I would have never walked away. Holding you, holding me in the moonlight. I guess it's not what you had in mind. Look around now, I see it so clearly. I can't make you believe.
Smash it up more. Pieces, gotta smash this guy into little pieces to get it out. It's heavy. Wasn't too bad. Not too stinky either. Thought it was gonna be a lot worse. Not terrible. Not terrible. That's a good thing. This is what happens to your pipe. Your cast iron pipes over the years. This one's actually not terrible. This one, it's gotta go. That's more like it.
New tedious job unlocked. I have to remove all of the nails from these studs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 10 different studs. Fun!
Shower hole. Toilet hole. Just drilled for the sinkhole. Here's the plan. Okay, we got the plumbing fittings kind of laid out. So sink at this end. And this will be to the 4-inch connection to city. It works in theory, so now we just have to cut the pipe and get it all to fit. Okay, we got the sanitary plumbing completed. We have sink connection, toilet, and shower. It's a good shot of this beam we had to replace. So it's cut at the end right there. That toilet came down and they just cut that, so it wasn't actually supporting the floor at all. And so we sistered it. This beam goes all the way over to this middle beam, and it sits on that one. So.
I gotta come up with a nickname for my alter ego when we're doing plumbing. Dumpy Donlin. That's the best one I can come up with. Dumpy Donlin does plumbing all day.
I was saying plumbing's easy. It's like I got plumbing in the bag. Plumbing's nothing. All you gotta do is glue it together. I was saying electrical too. Electrical's easy. There's no trick to it really. You just can't get your wires crossed.
Good one.
Clean out is on, going in the direction of the drainage, as it should.
That's cool.
Because that's code, guys. Found this morning in the yard. Shoot! Hope that's the last where that came from. Yuck.